Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Keeble here. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about your art lesson for this week. Your art lesson this week is going to talk, or we're going to talk all about line. We're going to talk about what a line is, the definition of a line, and then we're going to get a chance to use all kinds of lines, like these kinds of lines, to create a piece of artwork. And our artwork is going to look a little something like this. So we're going to make a crazy hair day piece of artwork. So to start off, let's just talk about line and what a line is. So the definition of line is a path created by a moving point. And to just think about that, it kind of seems a little bit tricky to kind of understand what that means just by thinking of the definition. So I thought what I would do is I would show you what I mean by that. Just move that out of the way, and I'm going to put a piece of paper here. And I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to make a point, like it says right in the definition, a point, and then I'm going to move it. And I've created a line. So that's all it really is. It's a path, this is the path that's created by a moving point. And the point started here and it moved over to here and it created a line. And that's all it is. So once you see it, it's pretty easy actually. All right, so that is the definition of line. So let's talk a little bit about what you're going to do today. So here's a piece of paper that has lots of different kinds of lines on it. And you're going to use all of these different kinds of lines, and you're going to create a crazy hair day piece of artwork. So what I've done is I've got, on the other side of the line paper, I've got the person, that you can start off with the person. So what you're going to do is you're going to take whatever you have, whatever writing tools you have, coloring tools. So I'm going to ask you to pull out either crayons or markers or color pencils, whatever you have. I actually have some markers here. I'm going to pull out all my markers. And you can start with the face, or you can start with the hair and put the face in. It's later. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. I'm going to start by just putting a face on there. And I think what I'm going to do with the face is I'm going to use a pencil. That way if I decide I want to erase, I can. I have a mechanical pencil here. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to give my person some eyes. And you can put whatever kind of eyes you want. And then I think I'm just going to do that. Give my person some eyes, a little nose, and maybe a smile. Give my person a smile. Just like that. And then maybe I'll give my color in my person's eyes. Give them a little highlight there and then color in the eyes. But you can do whatever kind of eyes or face you want. Maybe I'll give my person some eyebrows as well. All right. So there's my face. And then I want to give my person a hairline so I know where to start the hair at the top. So I'm going to give my face a middle, like I'm going to pretend there's a part in the middle. So I'm going to do that. And like that, and there's my person's hairline, just like that. So now the drawing part is done, and now I'm going to use my markers to create all different kinds of hair. So what I can do is I can flip over my paper and I can look at all these different kinds of lines and pick one to start with. So maybe I'll start with zigzag. That. And I think I'm going to turn it over and look, maybe I'll do a dash line. And then I think I'm going to do a wavy line. I think I'm going to do another one right next to it. You're going to fill in the whole head with different kinds of lines like that. All right, so once you've got your crazy hair all drawn on your paper, you're all done. You're good to go. You did a great job. All right, that's your lesson for this week. I hope you have fun with it, boys and girls.